Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're analyzing the AUDUSD pair, focusing on the current market sentiment and its reflection on various timeframes. Recent news indicates a bearish outlook for AUDUSD, primarily due to disappointing GDP growth data released earlier this week, leading to the Aussie dropping to a 5-month low against the US dollar. The US dollar's strength is also contributing to this downward trend. Let's examine the daily chart. We can clearly see the AUDUSD's descent over the past week, breaking below significant support levels. The volume accompanying this decline confirms the bearish momentum. Observing the hourly chart, we notice more frequent fluctuations, but the overall downtrend persists. Short-term support and resistance levels are more dynamic here. We see some minor consolidations within this downtrend, however, the overall bias is to the downside. Zooming into the 15-minute chart gives us a granular view of the intraday price action. This timeframe reveals periods of quick price changes and pullbacks. These fluctuations create opportunities for scalpers, while the daily and hourly charts give broader context to the movement. Now, let's focus on a specific period, the past 24 hours from the 1-hour chart. We can see a brief upward bounce, potentially suggesting a temporary pause in the bearish trend. However, this bounce failed to break above the nearest resistance. The daily chart shows a clear trend reversal from around 0.67 to 0.68 during the summer, with the price now finding support near 0.65. A break below this level could signal further losses. The correlation between the news and chart data is evident. Negative economic news has exerted downward pressure on the AUDUSD, as seen by the price action. In summary, the AUDUSD presents a bearish outlook in the short term, primarily driven by weak economic data and US dollar strength. Key support levels to watch for are around 0.645, 0.64, and 0.635. These levels, if broken decisively, could trigger further downward movement. Potential resistance levels are currently around 0.655 and 0.66. A break above 0.655 may indicate a shift towards neutrality or even bullishness. However, the bearish momentum needs to weaken significantly for this to happen. To further reinforce the likelihood of a bearish trend, we should monitor whether the AUDUSD breaks below 0.64. In the longer term, a sustained move above 0.66 would suggest a trend reversal. Other things to watch for include upcoming economic indicators for Australia and the US, such as employment data, which can significantly impact the AUDUSD. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Remember to like and subscribe for more detailed market analyses.